Damn, Dad. You're actually going all out this Halloween, huh? Jeez, look at this. This wasn't here yesterday. What is this man doing? What is going on, everyone? Mophead here, Derek here today, bringing you guys another vlog. Yeah, I said mophead because I got a mop on my head. Yeah, never mind that. I have a haircut in an hour, so it'll be gone soon. I just figured I'd start this video before I left because I got a couple things to talk to you about before we jump into this section of the video. So yes, guys, as I said before we jump into that, I want to head inside real quick to my room. I have something to show you guys. I have something to explain to you guys, and you know, this could be actually really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, we're in my room. Let me go ahead and get this figured out. That should work. Let me cut some of these fans off. It's probably fucking wind tunnel in here. Especially this bitch. This one's loud as fuck. Ah, fuck. All right, guys. So what I have to talk to you guys about today is something I've kind of known about, but I've never pursued it. So I've been stumbling across this website, and this website is specifically built for influencers such as like YouTubers, Instagrammers, people that, you know, are self-employed type thing. Someone that has something to do with the internet, pretty much. Now, many of you guys might already know what that is because you probably have seen YouTubers that you currently watch use this website. Pretty much to dumb it down, this website is a way for you guys to support your favorite influencers. So let's say we have some diehard DVP squad members in here, you know, the people that bought merch, and you know, those people that have been supporting me literally since day one. This website gives you the opportunity to help support the channel and support a movement that I am willing to make. And you know, whenever I do like my Insta live videos and stuff like that, there's a lot of you guys that want me to, you know, go to California, film some videos with you guys there, do meet and greets, and you know, go to Texas, hit up LMR, and go to Arizona, Las Vegas, New York City. There's a lot of places that you guys want me to go and film. But again, you know, I've been doing a lot of thinking, and you know, that's kind of something I want to do. I want to hop on a plane, fly to Cali, meet other YouTubers, you know, collab, you know, network with new people, film some awesome videos with subscribers such as you guys that are completely across the country right now that have never had a chance to meet me in general and know me as a person. There's plenty of people on the East Coast that have experienced that because I live here. So you know, that's exactly why as of today I pulled the trigger. I made a Patreon. So you know, really quick, guys, we can head on the computer over here. I can explain it to you, explain it what it does and what it does for me and what it does for you. And again, guys, as I said, this kind of platform that we're about to show you is designed specifically for influencers, YouTubers, all that kind of stuff that are ready to take it to the next level, that need, you know, the extra boost to really start making things happen. And you know, as of today, I'm so ready. Like, I'm just ready to go and just film and just, you know, have fun. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you exactly what we got going on here. So if you open up your browser, you can go to patreon.com, and once you enter in that URL, guys, you'll notice we have this channel setup based type thing. And honestly, guys, what this website does, so if you guys are a pretty big fan of the channel and you want to see, you know, more content, different content from different states and things like that, this allows you to do it. And on the right here, you can see we have different sets of tiers, and each tier has its own description as to what you'll be getting when you sign up with that tier. So yes, guys, that's Patreon in a nutshell. I know many of you guys love supporting what I do, and I can't thank you guys enough for that. And I also know there's many people in here that are gonna be, you know, hating on it. It's fucking stupid, you're a pussy, stop, whatever. But at the end of the day, I do see through, you know, the bullshitters and the true supporters. And honestly, we have some true supporters because if it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be as far as we are now in this whole YouTube adventure. So there's gonna be a link in the description. You can find it there. So do me a favor, guys, go check that out, and I want to thank you in advance. But anyways, guys, moving on to the main video. First, I have to go get a haircut, like I said. So as soon as I get back, we'll pick this video right back up. All right, guys, I am now back, and it just so happens to be my luck. I am literally facing a storm that's rolling through here, so I'm gonna try to get this video filmed as fast as I can. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start up old Blue. Throw this tripod in here. Safety first. So plan is, I'm gonna head to a spot that I used to film at. Hopefully I can get this done before it starts raining. It looks like it's about to start pouring, to be honest with you, but I feel like it's needed to go through some information on the car and what is honestly next for it. It's been a good minute since I even talked about like modifying the car, and you know, there's definitely a lot of stuff on my mind, so that's why I'm gonna fill you guys in with what's to come and what I plan on doing. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and drive to the spot, and I'll see you guys when we get there. I love this car so much. right, guys, made it to the second spot. First spot, I got kind of interrupted. Really quick, I do want to say that this video you are currently watching is going to be, you know, dedicated to those who have been with the channel for a long time, that want to see the progress on the car, and, you know, also the people that have been supporting the car and all the modifications and all that kind of stuff. So, I mean, I hope that criteria fits you, because that's what you should be here on the channel. Anyways, guys, so like I said earlier, it has been a good minute ever since I did a little update video on the car, and that was before Mustang Week. Mustang Week was really the last time I did it, because, you know, we had so much to cram onto the car, and it made it. So now that we're back from Mustang Week, it's like we're back at the drawing board. So right now, I'm just gonna give you guys a little insight on all my thoughts and what exactly I might end up doing to this car. So, you know, let's go ahead and get it out of the way right now. Let's talk about the exterior. Many of you guys have been wondering, am I gonna be getting a new hood? And that is a fat yes. Although I can't lie, I really do think the stock hood looks really good on this car. But no, we will be getting a new hood. I'm not gonna tell you what kind, because that's gonna ruin the surprise. But I mean, after a hood, the front end is, you know, pretty much done. Moving on to the side of the car, I am not gonna be getting Cobra side skirts. I like the stock GT ones with the garage door sealer. I think it looks amazing. If you don't, whatever. I love that. Not changing that at all. And now we come to the rear of the car, and this is where I have a big vision, because honestly, I'm not really a big fan of the rear end on this car anymore. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because I want to switch it up, or if I just don't like the way it looks. But I think if I were to switch one particular thing on this car, in the rear end, of course, it would totally transform it, and it's that spoiler. Now, I told Jordan if he ends up selling Grabber 2Valve, I will move the spoiler back like he did. I just didn't want to jock him. He did it before me. I'm not the type to go and copy every little mod that somebody else does. So as for the spoiler, I kept it a stock GT, but I've had my eye on a spoiler for a very long time, and that is going to be the Terminator ducktail with the third brake light. Personally, I think that's like one of the best spoilers you could ever get for a new Edge. It looks phenomenal, and, you know, to match that spoiler, a shaved Terminator rear bumper. So I believe with those two things done, the whole rear end will kind of, you know, flow more into the car, because as of right now, it looks good, don't get me wrong, but I definitely feel like it needs to be spiced up some more. As you guys know, I got new wheels. Those are not the Robos, those are the SVE NVXs. They're very nice. Go check them out. Exhaust just got done. I know that's not like, I wouldn't technically call that exterior. So, you know, that only leaves us with like one other compartment of the car. And no, it's not the interior. Interior has completely been done already. It is gonna be the engine bay. Boy, oh boy. Where do I even start? Because I have so many ideas rolling through my brain right now. Yeah, I'll go ahead and tell you guys what I'm thinking. For the engine bay, oh my God, that's hot. So many of you guys know I have the 4.6 liter 2Valve with about 45 to 47,000 miles on the car, and I recently just installed the Vortec V3 supercharger, and I absolutely love it. I've never had so much fun in a car before until I put that on. So if you guys are thinking about a blower, do it. Don't think about it, just do it. I swear to God, you'll love it. But honestly, this is where you guys are gonna probably lose your mind, because I think I'm gonna be moving on from a 2-valve motor. I know the motor's fresh, I know I just put a Vortec on it, but honestly, guys, if I were to be in a position to where I could totally afford it and it would be so, like, you know, drawn out and perfect. I mean, no car build's perfect, but you guys get what I'm saying. If I could afford it, instead of getting a new Mustang, that Coyote swap is still lingering in my mind, and I can't seem to shake it, because I think that's the sign. I think that will be the moves in the future. Because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, when I hop in my car, Blue, all the work I've done, all the money I've spent into it, all the hours and fucking tears and sweat and shit that went into this car, I enjoy this car so much more than I would enjoy a car right off the lot. I'm not trying to trigger anybody, but that's just facts, people. Like, when you put time and money and tons of emotion into something, guys, you become super attached to it, and I don't think I could ever, you know, put Blue on the back burner by getting a new car. If I do get a new car, my main priority is going to be modifying that. Therefore, Blue probably wouldn't get as much attention as she does now. But yes, guys, the Coyote swap is still lingering. Also, I have another avenue I would definitely love to venture down. Now, I've been thinking, what if I got a Termi block, built heads, threw that on with the intercooler, and, you know, pushed out 10 to 12 pounds of boost. I mean, shit, maybe even 15 pounds of boost. The Termi blocks are meant for that kind of power, and that would be insane. So that's definitely another avenue I've been thinking about recently. I haven't really pulled the trigger on pursuing one or the other, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the 2-valve is fun and all, but I really think it's time to get some power underneath the hood. And for those of you watching this and thinking this is gonna happen within 2 months, you're absolutely out of your mind. This shit is gonna take time to plan and plot, honestly. But, you know, I've proved to myself I can get a lot of shit done if I keep my mind to it. And the car, like I said, it's like a dream come true. I've never imagined my car ever looking as good as it does now, and it runs phenomenal. So if we can get like a Termi long block in here with the Vortec or 5.0 swap, I just think that'd be awesome. Yeah. Decisions. I truly don't know. So again, guys, I just wanted to make this video to tell you exactly where I'm at, where my mind's at with the car. And I know you guys are expecting more modifications, but right now it's back to the drawing board. I want to plan this out as best as I can because, you know, there's definitely hiccups when you're modifying cars, and especially when it's going into a new heart transplant for the car. It's definitely something that's just, you know, it doesn't happen overnight. But I will say this, if you guys go hit me up on that Patreon, we could definitely make something happen. But here she is, guys, looking fucking phenomenal. Super proud of the car as it sits. I'm sure many of you guys are really happy with how it looks and, you know, the power it made and whatnot for what it is. But anyways, guys, that's gonna be today's video. Wanted to give you guys a little update and some insight. Remember, if you enjoyed, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, any questions, concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's BP vlog shout out is going out to One Clean. I got a hair on my lens, hold up. Going out to One Clean Mock. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram, and the car is looking great, my man. And for those of you that want to shout out on the vlogs, make sure you follow me on Instagram at DerekBaranProductions and use hashtag DBP Squad in all your posts. As you guys know, every time I film a video, such as this one, I go to hashtag, I see who used it, and boom, shout out. Anyways, guys, I hope the idea of a 5.0 swap still being a possibility excites you, because it really excites me, and it made me realize that, you know, the car definitely deserves it. But with that, guys, I will see you Wednesday, which is tomorrow. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Blow up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk.